Think about this. Our skin is the largest organ in our body. But did you know it's also our heaviest? Yes, that's right. In fact, it makes up about 16% of our total body weight. Now that's a fun fact to kick off our in-depth exploration into the complex world of the human skin. Dive into the anatomy of the skin and you'll find it's not just a simple covering. It's an intricate network of layers, each with its own special function. First up, we have the outermost layer, the epidermis. It's the superhero of the skin world, our first line of defense against the environment. It's teeming with cells called keratinocytes, which produce keratin, a protein that keeps our skin waterproof and strong. The epidermis isn't just tough, it's also a chameleon, constantly regenerating itself every 2 weeks. Just beneath the epidermis, we find the dermis. This is where things get really interesting. The dermis is packed with nerve endings that help us sense the world around us. It houses sweat glands, hair follicles, and sebaceous glands that produce oil to keep our skin lubricated. It's also the home of collagen and elastin, two proteins that give our skin its strength and elasticity. Finally, the hypodermis, the deepest layer of skin. This layer is primarily composed of adipose tissue, which acts as an insulator, helping to regulate our body temperature. It's also where fat is stored, providing us with a handy energy reserve. So there you have it. The skin is not just a simple sheet, but a complex organ with multiple layers and functions. From the protective epidermis to the sensitive dermis and the insulating hypodermis, each layer plays a crucial role in keeping us healthy and responsive to our environment. In summary, we've delved into the fascinating world of skin anatomy. We've discovered the epidermis, our protective barrier and chameleon, constantly renewing itself. Then we ventured into the dermis, a sensory hub filled with nerve endings, sweat and oil glands, and the proteins that give our skin its strength and elasticity. Finally, we explored the hypodermis, our body's insulator and energy store. Remember, understanding the skin is more than just scratching the surface. It's about appreciating this amazing organ that plays such a vital role in our everyday lives. From protection to perception, insulation to regeneration, the skin truly is a marvel of human anatomy.